Alright, here we are. This is the Ninja 400 KRT Kawasaki. Now they put this muffler on here, and I gotta tell you, I call it the Wonder Muffler. It looks like a frickin' loaf of bread on here. We gotta do something about this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start this up. We're gonna listen to this. You know, it sounds like a regular fart machine. No, it really doesn't have anything to it at all. Don't know how good this is going to come out, but that's what we're dealing with. Alright, we'll be back after we get the Coffman really nice looking muffler on here. It's going to look really nice. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, the install took about 10 minutes. As you can see, it looks really good. That finishes the bike off nice. And it sounds really good. Here's your sound comparison. Coffman mufflers, baby, making your bike sound like it's got some character. Alright, there you have it. All I need now is to get the seat with some memory foam, and I need a USB charger in the dashboard up there for my GPS and stuff, and then we're all set. Alright, that's it. I highly recommend the Coffman Exhaust systems. Also on this bike, we are riding with Totoro Oilers. Very, very good products. I gotta tell you, Kawasaki is #1, bar none. Y'all have a good night and safe riding.